Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals is a program that was started in August 2012. It was a very welcomed program for people like the Dreamers who came here when they were young and do not have status and don't have work authorization and basically having a hard time making the most of their young careers and their lives here in the United States. The requirements include being under the age of 31 on June 15, 2012. You had to have entered the United States before the age of 16. You need to have a certain education requirement, which can include having a GED, high school graduation, being in college, or being some other type of a educational program that's specified by USCIS. You had to have been in the United States between June 15, 2007 and June 15, 2012, and also have very little, if no, criminal issues. A felony would disqualify you. 3 or more misdemeanors would disqualify you, and you cannot have a significant misdemeanor. If you do have any criminal history, you should definitely consult with an immigration attorney to see if you do qualify for deferred action for childhood arrivals. Other things to conclude, you need to have proof of those years between 2007 and 2012. You need to have enough evidence for each year so that you do not get a request for evidence because of any information lacking. Now, this does not give you a legal status per se. This really just allows you to stay in the United States, have work authorization, and basically not be put in immigration proceedings, or it allows you to get out of immigration proceedings if you've already been in immigration proceedings if you qualify for deferred action for childhood arrivals. It can take several months to get approved, and even longer for cases when you have a criminal background. So you definitely should consult with an immigration attorney, and you can only apply one time, so you want to do a good job the first time and make sure it gets approved. The filing fee is $465 to the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, and normally if you go with an attorney, they'll have a varying levels of a legal fee. And this has been a very great program for many people because it allows them to get that work authorization, potentially be able to travel with the correct travel documents and approval, but also to be able to get social security numbers, driver's license, and go to school, better jobs, and basically just get on their feet. So we're very excited about this program, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call for a consultation.